Hello students, welcome back to TUTORhub, your e-classroom on YouTube. So today we'll be evaluating algebraic expressions and we'll have easy step-by-step procedures on how to do this. Okay, but before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment so that we'll be interacting with each other and we'll know whether you learned something from this video, and let me know what topics you would like to learn in our next learning experience, okay? So what do you mean when you say you evaluate an algebraic expression? This means that we will simply substitute certain values or numbers to a particular variable when solving the equation. Okay, so it's simply substituting and solving the value of an algebraic expression. Okay, so let's have an example to illustrate this. So evaluate 2x plus y. So this is our algebraic expression. And these are the equivalent values for the variables that we have. So when we say 2x plus y, and we need to evaluate that, that means we need to substitute 3 to x and 5 to y. So how do we do that? 2 times 3 plus 5. Then we simply simplify, then follow PEMDAS, the PEMDAS rule, parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. So 2 multiplied to 3 is 6 plus 5. What's 6 plus 5? That's simply 11. So that is how simple it is to evaluate algebraic expression. Are you ready for the next example? Very good. Let's do another one. Evaluate x plus y when x is negative 2 and y equals negative 10. So we simply substitute x plus y, so negative 2 for x, and negative 10 for y. So what is the value of x again? Very good, negative 2 plus, what's the value of y? Negative 10. So following our previous discussion on algebraic adding integers, so what's negative 2 plus negative 10? Both numbers have the same signs, right? So we simply add the absolute values of the numbers. What's 2 plus 10? 12. And then we adopt the common sign of the two numbers, that's negative. So the answer would be negative 12. So that's how easy it is, right? Third example, x plus 3y, where x is negative 6 and y equals negative 2. So x plus 3y is equal to x plus 3y. Again, what's x? Negative 6. So that's negative 6 plus 3 times 2. So we have negative 6 plus 6. What's negative 6 plus 6? That's simply 0. So that's our answer for this particular example. It's very easy, right? Don't worry. You can always replay this video until you can master the concepts. Okay? And then we'll have our last example for this topic. 2x plus 3y, where x is equal to 2 and y equals negative 4. So 2x plus 3y. So we substitute 2 for x and negative 4 for y. So 2 times 2 plus 3 times negative 4. So what's 2 times 2? 4 plus 3 times negative 4? Negative 12. Then using our principles or what we learned when adding integers, right? When they have opposite signs, we simply look at the larger number and subtract the smaller number from it. So that's 12 minus 4, that's 8. And we adopt the sign of the larger number, that's negative 8. Okay, so the answer for this particular example is negative 8. So that's how easy it is to evaluate algebraic expressions. So I hope you learned something today, students. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching TutorHub, your e-classroom on YouTube. Happy learning, everyone!